Welcome to how to add an event to Google. So in this video we are going to show you how to add an event to Google. So before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're going to need to do, you will open up this Google Calendar here, and then to add the event, you will basically tap on this plus icon, then tap on event, then you gonna name your event. So let's suppose this is the birthday, and then what you're gonna need to do is you will just basically set up the time of the event or the date. So tap on this date here, and let's suppose that the birthday is on Saturday 7th September, and the time that you want to get notified is like maybe birthday is on 8th of September, and you want to get notified on basically 11 11:30 11:50 p.m. So you want to wish, and then what you're gonna need to do, if you want you can add any kind of guest here as well. Like if you want to share this event with someone, you can add, and then you can change the color here. You can add description, attachment, and anything you want, and then you will tap on save. And now you can see that we have birthday on 7th of September. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.